How to activate OCBC Credit Card online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about activating your OCBC Credit Card online. So first of all, open your any preferred web browser on your computer or your mobile device and simply type in internet.ocbc.com/card activation and hit enter in your keyboard. Once the page loads, make sure to tick the box for the card activation first. And after you do that, enter the last 8 digits of your card, its expiry date, and either your NRI ID or your passport number. Next, enter the characters shown in the CAPTCHA for the verification. And after that, agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box provided below. And now click on the next button that is highlighted in red color and follow the on-screen instructions until the process is completed successfully to activate your OCBC credit card online. So this was all about how to activate OCBC credit card online. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.